Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis on Dogelon to Mars. Hit that subscribe button if you like daily in-depth technical analysis. Hit that subscribe button. Let's get straight into it. Bitcoin is retracing back down to the $40,000 levels, just like we said. Now, this is a good thing and a bad thing. It's a bad thing because it's going to be, we're going to see a lot of fear in the markets here. People are going to want to start selling, okay? That's a bad thing because that can affect you emotionally if you don't have your guard up. Now, the good thing is that we will be at very discounted prices here soon. If it breaks through these $40,000 levels, then we're heading back down at least to these 37,000s, okay? If it shows support around this 37,500 level, it's a simple fake out. However, if it breaks down, then we will be showing support around these $30,000 levels, okay? If we break through these $40,000 levels. It's a beautiful thing. Now, let me make it super simple for you guys. So, if it comes down to here, it's a simple fake out, and it's going to push back higher. If it comes down to here, we need to watch these 30,000s to see if it drops lower or moves higher. Now, think about it. Everybody thinks there's no way in hell it can drop down to these $30,000 levels. So why can't it? Why can't it? The market doesn't do what people think it's going to do. The market does what it thinks it's going to do. So I'm just here to read the charts and based on the price action we see, predict where it is going. However, that can change day to day. All right. Now, my overall prediction for Bitcoin is it is very bullish. However, right now we are in a we're in an unknown section because it could break this trend line here, move down to these $30,000 levels at a discount. That would scare everybody out that bought in up here. Everybody. And the big money would push it higher. It would move bigger than this. It would be a beautiful thing if it got down to these $30,000 levels. But yes, that is Bitcoin. Let's get straight into Dogelon to Mars. Elon, the one, the only. All of you beautiful people in the Patreon, you're beautiful. If you want daily updates and real-time buy and sell alerts, join the Patreon. I don't know how many spots there are. I believe there's like 4 or 5. So check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. All right, so look at this. Right now, we are chillaxing. Now, 2022 is going to be a great year, but it's going to take some time for everything to catch up to speed, all right? Look at what we're doing here. So we had a retracement down to this 0.618 level. Now we retraced here, and we're showing support on the top of these 1232 levels, okay? And we are slowly coming back down to retest those. Now, what we should see here, what we want to see here is it continue to stagger lower, and then one big green candle coming up and wiping out all of these previous resistances. And that big green candle will have volume. That's what we want to see. That will be the most bullish sign that we are continuing to make higher lows, getting ready for this parabolic move to the upside. Okay? However, none of this will happen if Bitcoin retraces down to 30,000, okay? If that happens, then we need to watch this 10 level to see how it reacts, okay? If Bitcoin retraces that low, then it's just a matter of patience. Like, a lot of people are going to be freaking out, but markets make money in cycles, and that is what we are in. We are in a cycle right now. So it's just about being patient. Time in the market is better than timing the market. Now, if you're day trading, it's a completely different mindset. However, we are on this channel to hold for months and make a 10x. If you're day trading, it would be more like, all right, once it comes down to this 1161 level, you want to watch and see how the buyers react. If you look in the level 2 and there's a big money stepping in, you want to get in on the tail end of that and then sell once it comes all the way up to this 1350 level. Sell at that level. Boom, it's that easy day trading. However, we're trading for months at a time, weeks to months, until a 10x. In 2022, my friends. It's going to be a beautiful year. Crypto billionaire 69. Got to go edit another YouTube video for my second channel. I hope all you beautiful people are doing beautiful today. And, yeah, guys, it's a matter of patience. We're going to see a lot of fear in the market here, which is very, very normal. I'm actually curious of what the crypto fear and greed index is looking like. I believe just based on that, it's under the 20s. 24. Okay, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. Yeah, my friends. Crypto billionaire 69 out.